If you are a student, working professional, or a freelancer, having a portfolio website is a must. Whenever you are applying for a job or applying for a freelance project or sharing your expertise with someone, you can simply share your portfolio website. Or if someone asks you, share your work, you can simply send your portfolio link and they can get to know you better, your previous experience, the projects you have done, and everything. But creating a personal portfolio website from scratch is a hell lot of work. That's why in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can use AI to create your personal portfolio website using your resume or your LinkedIn profile. This is going to be an interesting one. Feel free to give it a thumbs up. Let's jump right into it. Okay, to create the portfolio website, we are going to use Gamma.app, which is an AI tool for creating presentation, website, and much more. So simply just click on start for free and then use your credentials to log in. Okay, once you are logged in, you will see a web page just like this. So to create the portfolio website, I'm going to use my LinkedIn profile. So just go to your LinkedIn profile, make sure it is optimized perfectly. You have your job role and different projects, your education, certification, volunteering experience, skills, recommendation, everything sorted. Then click on resources and from here click on save to PDF. Once you click on save to PDF, your profile will be converted into a PDF just like a resume. Then we will head back to Gamma.app again and we'll click on create new with AI. So this is the one, create with AI. Then we'll click on import file or URL. Then we will select this one, upload a file, PowerPoint, Word docs, and PDF. Since we download our LinkedIn profile as a PDF, then this is the perfect options for us. Then simply we will select our resume. It will take some time. Then you get to choose what you want to generate. Presentation, web page, document, social. Since we are making a portfolio website, we'll click on web page, simply click on continue. It will try to configure the whole prompt and divide our content like this. So from here, you can simply change the things you don't want to showcase. For example, I don't want to showcase my URL and everything. So I'll delete the contact option, top skills. So I'll take the Ahad Khaled, this particular option, top up, and I'll simply turn it to, and yeah, this looks good to me. I can go for card by card. I'll just need to click on yes, split for me, and then it will split the content for me, just like this. You can say it. But we are not going for card by card. We'll go for free form, and from here we will select the type of content we want. So output language should be English, US English, yes. And the visual type you can select from the theme. So which kind of template do you want to use? Okay, I want to keep it a little bit minimal. So I'm going to choose this one and yeah, select the theme. And since it will use some images, what kind of images you want, I will use AI images, obviously. Select the type of, I will select from here Imagen 3 first, which is from Google. You can select whatever you like and I'll select abstract. Then everything looks fine to me. And if you want to make any changes, you can simply change from here, no problem. Then we will select generate. Now it will take some time to generate the whole website for us. So it took some time to generate the whole website for us, and this is what we came up with. So here you can see my name and the designation. Here they can simply click on view portfolio. If I want to showcase any other links, I can simply paste the link here. And if I want to add another link, oh okay, it already added the link, you can see. So, and here is the intro part, and from here I can simply change the image if I want, and then, and you can see it use the context. My personal branding is more than just photos. Okay, service that drives result. Okay, what are the services I provide? Video content without hassle. Nice. how we can work together. That's nice. Professional experience, it looks very nice. 1, 2, 3, and core expertise, and everything looks nice. From here, you can simply click on publish and this website will be published. Or if you want to share it with someone, simply click on share and you can simply share this website to anyone you like. So from here, if I want to change the theme, I can definitely do that. From here, let's see, we will select a different tone. Yeah, this will look like this if I select a different tone. And this, you can make any adjustment you want. If anyone asks you about your portfolio website, you can simply send them, you can simply generate a portfolio website just under 5 minutes and simply share with them easily. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, feel free to explore and watch other videos on my channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.